To remove your Neo, spray C22 onto a cotton pad and slowly, in circular motions, rub on the adhesive area whilst pulling back the hair system. Once fully removed, apply C22 directly to the adhesive area, which is either tape or glue, to remove it as much as possible. Once done, place the hair system into a sink filled with warm water and apply 2 to 3 pumps of Reset to your hand, and then massage that gently around the edges of your hair system to fully remove the adhesive. Repeat this 2 to 3 times to ensure it's fully removed, and then submerge back into the sink so you can ensure all of the Reset is out of the hair system. Use a comb and brush away from the base of the hair system to ensure no damage directly to the base. Once done, take around 2 to 3 fingers filled with your renewal and rub that thoroughly throughout the entire hair system, and then leave this to set for 3 to 5 minutes. Once it's been there for 3 to 5 minutes, you can then place this back directly into the sink filled with warm water, ensuring it is fully washed through for the next step. You can then place it onto a towel and cover it, pushing firmly to push out most of the water. Once this is complete, you can then place it back onto a stand, brush through again with the teeth of the comb facing away from the hair system base, and spray with Refresh to keep the moisture locked in. And that is how you wash your Neo hair system.